Hello my dear friend, today we'll see how to log in using SSH secure shell to a remote server, and we'll check the theory first. Let's check logging without password. That is, in your PC you have to make a key pair using a key pair generating tools. I will show you how to generate a key pairs. However, if you generate keys pair, then it will generate two keys. One key is called by private key and one key is called by public key. Public keys extension will be .pub. After the file name you'll find that the keys extension is .pub. Then you understand that that is public, and actually the private key, you can imagine this is your key which resides in your PC, in your key agent. There is an agent whom you give all the private keys to him, so he can assist you to log into remote server. And one is public key. Public key, actually you can imagine this as a lock. Maybe when you go to storehouse you can buy a lock and a key. Like this, you just generate a lock and a key, you keep the keys and give the lock to the remote server. You have to put this lock to the remote server. When you knock to the remote server with your keys, the remote server will check if the lock is opened with your keys, given keys. If not, then no access. If yes, if you enable to open the lock using your key, then it will give you access. So this is the scenario. Private key resides in your computer, and public key, you have to put the public key. Actually this is a file, actually encrypted file, and a lot of cryptography text in there. You put that file to the server, and one key is inside your machine, in the hand of the agent, SSH agent. However, thank you, I have to show you how to make the key pair. Okay, let's check. Open your command line tools. Mine here is bash, and if you use Windows, then you have to download a bash tools from git.scm, like from this website. You have to download these tools, git for scm. In these tools it will give you a bash command line software, then you can type all the commands in it, so no problem. However, let's check in the terminal. To make a key, you have to generate the key pairs as we saw earlier in the theory. We have to make a key pair, so the command will be this one. So in here, if you look closely, SSH keygen -t is RSA, that is the name of algorithm, -b, that is for bits. The key contains how many bits the key contain, and -f is the name of the keys, and the path also. this is for the this is for my user folder. Then the folder called SSH, that is hidden, and the file name of the key is whatever you can give, like second key or world key. This is my name of the key file, and then hyphen capital C, that is for comments of your keys, like my mail.com or hellomail.com, your identification or whatever the comment is, whatever you like. Then if I hit enter, it will generate my keys, and when it's going to generate, it will ask you the passphrase. If you would like to give a passphrase of a key, then you can give like this one, like I put a passphrase. Actually a passphrase is good because if anybody have my private key file, he or she can access the remote server without password. That's why if you put a passphrase, additional passphrase, then the key will be more secure. However, my key is generated in this given location. My key is in here, the given location. So right now I have to do the first thing first, that is I have to put, this is my public key, world key.pub, that is public, that is my locker, and world key, that is my private key, that is the key belongs to my hand. Okay, I have to put the content of a world key dot public, the locker, in the server. So I need to copy that key. I know the key is resides in the user folder and .ssh folder, so I need to copy that key, like pbcopy, copy this, place them your user folder .ssh / wrld world key, your private name of your private or public key, world key.pub, and then hit enter. It will copy all the contents inside the world key. Let's go to my GitHub. You know, GitHub supports SSH keys, so enter the box like Mac Mini, and you know, in my keyboard clipboard there is a key, paste it here. This is my key, and I add SSH key, it belongs. So maybe it asks for a password for you. You just give the password, no problem, it's done. So we have managed to put our public key to the server. Now we have to give our private key to the locker man, the key man, that is SSH agent. We call him SSH agent. To enable the SSH agent, you have to type this command. I have copied the command from somewhere from my docs, and enter. The agent ID is 2175, and then you can remember my key name. So I have to check first if how many keys the SSH agent have got right now. SSH -add n and L. I'm watching the command and typing. It got only one key right now, that is ID RSA, and we're gonna put our second key. Okay, then the command is SSH add, then your user location /SSH folder /WORL world key. This is our private key. I'm going to give my private key to the SSH agent so that he can help to log in or match the key with the server. So this is the command. I put agent asks me for the passphrase. I give the passphrase identity added. So let's check again with my agent that if he got my keys or not. Yes, the world key here. He got this key in his hand. So in his or her hand. So I can access GitHub right now, right away, because my private key is ready and the public key is set on the GitHub server. However, you can if you set your public key to any server that support SSH, like DigitalOcean, GoDaddy, or what else, you can access to that server through SSH without password. Okay, let's check with my repo. This is a repo, sample repos here. Let me download it with it's no SSH. Clone with SSH, copy it, and then get let me clear first. Okay, whatever. Get CLO and clone. It's cloning into no masses yet. Remote containing object. It don't ask me for password or login credentials. It's just connect and just download direct. Okay, let me check if it can commits or push. Touch 1.txt git add git commit. You know why we put commit? You know the meaning of the commit command? I think you know. Maybe you can comment below. Let's push. Git push. You can put it or not. Okay, let's push the change. Git push origin master. Yes, it's pushing to the server. Yes, to get this again, it push master to master. So let me check if the change is happening in my server. 33 seconds ago, second commit, and the file is text. This is how we can access GitHub, or you can implement this theory in any server which support most of the server. Basically all the servers support SSH login system. It is more secure. We can practice this. You can be benefited by practicing it. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to see my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.